Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how name error, name module underscore name is not defined. The name error, name module underscore name is not defined error occurs when you try to use a module or variable that has not been defined or imported into your program. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the module you're trying to use is imported into your program, or that the variable you're using is defined before you use it. Here's an example of importing a module in Python. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. If you're trying to use a variable that hasn't been defined, you'll need to define it before using it. For example, let's run this code. Here is the results. By importing the necessary modules and defining variables before using them, you can avoid the name error, name module underscore name is not defined error in your Python code.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.